Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to make your Webflow website pop visually, whether you want a stunning hero, a memorable section, or a bold full-page look, today's tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add a beautiful background image to any section of your Webflow site, and you'll understand why each choice you make matters for both design and user experience. So let's jump right in. Here on our Webflow project, you'll see we already have a section set up, and we've called it Hero. Keep in mind, the name is just a label to help you stay organized while you're building, so if you want to name it something else like intro, banner, or anything at all, feel free. Renaming sections helps keep big projects tidy, especially as your site grows. Now for that impressive full-page effect. We want our section to fill up the whole screen. To do this, make sure your section is set to take up 100% of the viewport height. This makes it really feel like a hero area, the first thing visitors see when they land on your site. If you haven't done this already, you can simply adjust the height property in the Style panel, set it to 100 VH, and you're set. Think of this like stretching a canvas before you start painting. Next, it's time to put our image behind everything else, giving the section real visual impact. Here, head over to the right sidebar and find the background settings inside the Style panel. This is basically the control room for all your background designs. You'll see a little plus or add button next to backgrounds. Go ahead and click that. This opens up your options for adding images, gradients, and more. When you click Add Image, Webflow will prompt you to upload a file or choose from images you've already uploaded. Pick the picture you want to use. Choosing the right image is more than just picking something pretty. Think about the story or mood you want the section to tell. For example, a landscape photo works great for travel sites, while a soft gradient can make text pop for a headline. Once your image appears in the background, it might look a little funny at first. Sometimes you'll see it repeating, or it might not cover the whole section, especially if your image isn't very large. Here, where we solve that, you'll notice a setting called Cover. Go ahead and select that. What this does is tell Webflow, hey, stretch this image to fill the entire background no matter the screen size. Just like fitting wallpaper perfectly onto a wall, no visible seams or awkward gaps. If you want the image to always look crisp and professional, Cover is almost always the best choice. Take a moment to preview your page. Notice how your background image now fills the entire hero area, making the whole section come alive. If you don't see the effect right away, don't worry. It might just be a matter of switching to preview mode or refreshing your browser tab. A quick tip, sometimes background images can make text hard to read. If that happens, you can always add an overlay or adjust your text color for better contrast. That's it, your section looks fantastic. Remember, adding background images is a simple way to share your site's personality and improve your visitors' first impression. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you ran into any issues or if there's another Webflow trick you want to learn. Don't forget to subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow web design tips. Thanks for watching and happy designing.